Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach about where JavaScript is actually using in real-time applications. We know very well JavaScript is a client-side scripting programming language. Then what is the purpose JavaScript is used in real time? The main purpose is it reduces server-side traffic because the JavaScript programming language will execute on client side only. That means web browsers like Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, like whatever the program you written in JavaScript, that program will execute on client side. That means on browser only. So it's not required to execute any JavaScript program, any server. So that's why it gives a better performance compared to other scripting languages. So that is the reason I have given point here. It reduces server-side traffic. JavaScript handle maximum number of work at client side. So your product may not affected by poor performance. The another purpose is it provides client side validation. That means if the user enters a wrong email ID, then JavaScript sends validation that email ID is wrong. So whenever you enter username and password is wrong, then immediately you will receive a validation message like your username and password is invalid. So such type of message will be responded by the JavaScript only. So that means it provides the purely client-side validations in the form. And the JavaScript is also used for to develop pop-ups, alert boxes, client-side calculations. And it also provides a connection between front-end and back-end. So these are the main areas where JavaScript are used. So it reduces the server-side traffic because of it executes all JavaScript programs on the browsers only. It doesn't require any server. And it provides a client-side validation, and it also developed by using JavaScript pop-ups, alerts, and client-side calculations. And also it provides a connection between front-end and back-end. JavaScript is also used nowadays as server-side technology also. Most recent development is the use of JavaScript as server-side technology. There are various modules available like Node.js and Express.js, which are very efficient for handling real-time applications and are much faster than other technologies available right now. Okay, and other applications also use JavaScript. JavaScript is also widely used for providing pop-ups, animations, visual effects, etc. And various libraries are available for JavaScript like jQuery, which have pre-written files which can easily be used in websites. So overall, JavaScript is very useful tool for web development. Okay, so JavaScript is used for developing any web development. So for creating web pages. Okay, so it is also used for to develop games as well. JavaScript also helps in creating games for leisure. The combination of JavaScript and HTML5 makes JavaScript popular in games development as well. So that's it, guys. Where I hope you understand where JavaScript is really used and what is the main purpose of JavaScript. So why this much popular in IT field, JavaScript programming language. So thank you for watching.